Now then, quick video on backpacks. That's what I use mostly now. Got really efficient at it. There's a few mistakes people make, those backpacks. One of them is to put too much pipe actually onto the backpack, and you're using it all the time, when most of the time you're not actually using it. So what that does, it tends to put too much stress on the motor and the battery. And not only that, it also reduces the flow. Not that you might notice that much, but it does. I like to work with maximum flow from my backpack. I'll just switch it on. You can see that's pretty good for a backpack, isn't it? For 2-jet system. There's quite a lot of water coming out. That's on maximum. That's how I've worked. I'll leave it on maximum, and I've had this for at least 18 months. This backpack, going strong as an ox. Okay. How to get around that with not enough pipe? Sometimes you can't get enough pipe around. You can't get the backpack around the back of somewhere, or carry some extra like that. That's all. Don't forget the extra connector though. And just, you'll know you're round. Just use it when you need it. But that amount on there is 35 foot. Okay, 35 feet is pretty adequate. If you're doing just ordinary domestic houses, you know, like this sort of stuff, it's quite easy. Okay, but if you're doing much bigger stuff, maybe it's time to upgrade to a van system. You don't really need a van system if you're just plodding around like me. Okay, just doing ordinary domestic stuff. So it's 35 foot there. If you've got Victorian houses, different of course, but I suppose I'm pretty lucky really to have this sort of stuff. Anyway, it works, so there you go, job done.